This video is all about adjectives. What is an adjective? Adjectives are words that describe people, places, things, objects, or ideas. Basically, an adjective describes a noun. It is important to know that in English, adjectives come before the noun. Let's look at some examples. If you are a student who's learning English, you might be asking yourself, how can using adjectives improve my English? Using adjectives makes our communication clear and specific. Adjectives give extra information and extra details to make you understood. Let's look at some of these sentences as an example. On the left, we have simple sentences such as, I live in a house. To add an adjective, we put the adjective before the noun. So the noun in this sentence is house. That is what we are talking about. So we can take this simple sentence and turn it into, I live in a small house. Likewise, here are some more examples. I drive a car. I drive a blue car. I have a sister. I have a younger sister. We are in a class. We are in a fun class. The adjectives give more information about the nouns. It is important to understand that there are different categories of adjectives. Let's look at those together. First is opinion. It tells what someone thinks about something. So it could be beautiful, ugly, good, bad, interesting, boring. Next is size. This tells how large or small something is. We have many words for size in English. Big, small, huge, tiny, tall, short. Another category is age. It tells how old something is. Some examples are old, new, young, ancient, or modern. Shape is another category. It tells about the outline or form of something. Is it round, square, flat, circular, triangular? Color is another category of adjectives. It tells the color of something. Red, blue, green, black, white. Also, origin is a category. It tells where something is from, which is usually a nationality. American, Japanese, French, Canadian, Chinese. So, for example, you might say, I'm having Chinese food for dinner, and Chinese would be the adjective. Material is another category. It tells what something is made of. Wooden, metal, plastic, silk, cotton. So for example, maybe you are sitting at a wooden table. It is a table made of wood. And finally, purpose. It tells what something is used for and can sometimes act like part of the noun. For example, sleeping bag. If you just say bag, someone will think about the bag at a store. If you say sleeping bag, that helps us understand that it is a large bag blanket where you can sleep. Another example is driving license. If you tell people you have a license, they might say, what kind or for what? And you can say, for driving, a driving license. Finally, in talking about shoes, you may say, I am wearing shoes today. And someone could ask, What kind of shoes? And you might say running shoes because I am going to exercise. These are the different types of adjectives in their categories.